How are you, boys and girls? Welcome back to English class with me, Mr. Naga, and let's continue our lesson, Module 6, Getting Around. And today it's story time, and our lesson standard is 3.3.1. Let's read a story. The title of our story today is The Lost Boy, Part 1. I will play the audio for you, and while listening, I want you to read the same story from your Get Smart Plus 4 Students Book, page 66 and 67. Are you ready now? Good. Let's listen and read together.
Module 6 Story Time The Lost Boy Part 1 1. What do Kelly and Amin do at the weekend? Listen and read. It's the weekend. Amin is at home and he's getting ready to go to the park with his friend Kelly.
Are you ready, Amin?
Asks Kelly.
Yes, I am.
Says Amin.
How are we going to get to the park?
We're going to go by bike.
Says Kelly. Amin and Kelly are in the garden now. Kelly is wearing her helmet, but Amin hasn't got a helmet.
Amin, where's your helmet?
Kelly asks. Amin's mum comes out and gives him his helmet.
Here's your helmet, dear.
Says his mum.
Make sure to keep both hands on the handlebars and watch out for cars, children.
OK, Mum. Thanks.
Says Amin.
Let's go, Kelly.
The children are riding their bikes to the park now.
How long does it take to get there, Kelly?
Asks Amin.
I'm tired.
We're going to be there in 5 minutes.
Says Kelly.
There it is. Do you see it?
Kelly asks. Kelly and Amin play with their friends all afternoon. It's getting dark now. The children are leaving the park when they see something.
Hey, Amin, what's that?
Asks Kelly.
I don't know.
Says Amin.
That's the end of part 1 of The Lost Boy. If you want to know the rest of the story, make sure to join our next lesson. Boys and girls, please look at this picture. This is frame 1. Based on frame 1, can you tell me, where are the children? Where are Amin and Kelly? They are at Amin's house. Okay, if you look at this, okay, you can look at the picture and you can also refer to the passage here, the story. It's the weekend. Amin is at home and he's getting ready to go to the park with his friend Kelly. Okay, this is Amin's house. What are they going to do? Okay, can you tell me, what are Amin and Kelly going to do? They are going to go to the park. Okay, they are getting ready to go to the park. Next, how are they going to get to the park? You can get the answer here. How are we going to get to the park? We are going to go by bike, says Kelly. So the answer is by bike. Now, look at this frame 2. We can see Amin, Kelly, and Amin's mother. Who's wearing a helmet? You may get the answer from the picture. Who's wearing a helmet? Kelly is. Kelly is wearing a helmet. What rules do Kelly and Amin have to follow when they are riding their bikes? This rules was given by Amin's mother. Yes, the answer is they have to keep both hands on the handlebars and watch out for cars. This is frame 3. I want you to look at the picture and tell me, what are the children doing now? They are riding their bikes to the park now. Okay, the children are riding their bikes to the park now. You can get the answer here. Who is tired? See here, who said, I'm tired? Amin. Amin says he's tired. How long is it going to take to get to the park? It's going to take 5 minutes. Now we have our last frame, frame 4. What do the children do at the park? Yes, they play with their friends all afternoon. Why are the children leaving the park? They are leaving because it's getting dark. See here, it's getting dark now. The children are leaving the park. So the answer for this question is they are leaving because it's getting dark. What does Kelly see? They see something. Hey, Amin, what's that? Asked Kelly. So, what does Kelly see? She doesn't know. That is why she asked Amin. Now, when answering comprehension question, you can get the answer from the passage. Make sure to refer to the passage to get your answers. Now it's your favorite part, homework. Okay, boys and girls, can you get ready with your Get Smart Plus 4 workbook and turn to page 55. Okay, this is page 55 from your workbook. Today, you need to do two activities, activity 1 and activity 2. For activity 1, you need to read the text in the student's book and match. Okay, you need to read the story which we have read just now, The Lost Boy, part 1, and match these lines, these dialogues to the correct person. For example, let's look at A. How are we going to get to the park? Who said this? Okay, you need to find the answer from the text in your student's book. The answer is Amin. Okay, Amin said this. So you need to take your ruler and draw a line. Match A to Amin like this. Okay, so you need to do the same for line B, C, D, and also E. Okay, that is for activity 1. For activity 2, okay, can you see here we have a very short paragraph. You need to read this paragraph and complete all these 7 blanks. You can get the answers from the Lost Boy story which we read just now. Okay, you can get the words there. But, okay, can you see here? You can choose the answer here. We have 7 words. Okay, I have put here all the 7 words for activity 2. You need to choose the correct answer for each blank. Okay, so please don't forget to do these 2 activities today. Activity 1 and activity 2. To all my students, please do stay at home and take care. Make sure you complete your 2 activities and don't forget, WhatsApp me the work. Thank you very much and hope to see all of you soon. Bye-bye.